Hey guys, so I'm vlogging today again because, by the way, I just did my makeup with Dr. Hoshka products, not all of them, but 4 products, and I love how it turned out. It's just so fresh. We're going with my family and with Daiva to the city center, not center, well, old town, because in Klaipėda we have this ship called Meridianas. It's a very old ship. It's not usable. There was a restaurant inside, but it was getting really old and needed renovation. So they renovated the ship, and today they're bringing it back. They're opening the bridges and bringing the ship back to the city, which will be kind of a big deal. You know, it will make people happy to see the symbol of their city return. So we're going to see that, and yeah, it will be interesting, hopefully. Oh, hello. The weather is horrible. It's so cold. I'm in my autumn boots, but I'm freezing my ass off. So here's the bridge, lifted one. Cannot see the other bridge. So the ship should come from there. Our pride is coming back. Now we will feel like we are in Klaipėda once again. It's like Paris without Eiffel Tower, Klaipėda without Meridianas. It's the same. And as the ship... Oh, my parents. Hello. See the weather is so freaking cold. I didn't take gloves. The old mill hotel, because it's +5 outside, so it's freezing cold. We will warm up. Cappuccino is so delicious, right? Yeah, it's like with cacao on top. Really tasty. And it's so nice because it's like early in the morning still. It's like morning coffee and morning events. You can see the name now. So we had our coffee, now feeling much more warmer. And we had to drink it so quickly, so I'm like burning inside. Because your colleague, we have to go catch the ship. There's another reporter.
It's probably on YouTube as well.
Yeah. And here you can see the buildings of our old town, German style. It once was a German city. The yellow boat is struggling. Has to place Meridianas properly for it not to be stuck on the bridge. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. It's a real trouble when you have a non-working boat, ship. Klaipėda, dienraštis tau ir man. Klaipėda, tam ir tavo draugams. Yay, they made it. Oh my gosh, photographers are running. Action. By the way, this is the back of the ship, and this is the front, and they're pulling it this way with the back because it has to face, I mean, the city with its front, and because the river is too narrow, they cannot like turn it. So this is the way they're doing it. I don't have a mirror because of the rain. My hair is frizzy. So yeah, they're fixing the bridge. Being a vlogger, I should vlog in the latest room as well. It's pretty classy here. Man, this place, I wish I found it earlier. I think it's new, like none of us have been here, so I think it will be our new favorite place to go and have like a drink.
Having green tea with Diva. Really delicious and it's nice. It's raining outside, a perfect afternoon to have tea.
So this is what I ordered. Aubergine, kind of cream, I don't know how to call it, and some toast. Here's my mom's creme brulee. How beautiful everything is. It was so delicious. There's Christmas tree already. How crazy is that? We are in Zara with Diva now and I absolutely need this bag. They have black one.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Nice color. It's like dark tartan print. Black and... yeah, full of fluff from the good quality H&M sweater. Yeah, but I like the trouser. Stipne su mato spalvos. Turiu su tais pukais kaip beprat. So I really like this hat from H&M. I think it's super cute. And really, I like the color the most probably. And this little bubble here. So cute for winter. That way you can show yours.
Yeah.
And it's actually pretty cheap, like 10 euros. What do you guys think about this cardigan?
Pectoral.
I really like it. I think it's like bohemian, kind of boyish a little bit. I think Alex from Inter Beauty Vlog would really love it. It's from H&M. I like it a lot. It's just like 20 euro. Really cozy and nice. Reserve. There's some army exhibition. Interesting stuff going on. Very furious looking man. Guys practicing for army. Not doing very well. Christmas decorations. Everything's so pretty and sparkly. Look at this. Some ice cream with Diva. She's having kiwi. I'm having hazelnut ice cream in my favorite type of waffle. Hi again guys, so I'm gonna finish my vlog. I just came back home, just pretty much spent the entire day out in the city from early in the morning, like I woke up at around 8 till it's like after 7 in the evening right now. So it was a full day and a really nice day, very eventful. So yeah, I'm a bit exhausted now. I have to clean up my room because it's a terrible mess. The stuff is all over the place, even though you cannot see because I'm not showing you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go make myself a cup of tea and just relax. Yeah, hopefully you had a very nice day as well, and let me know what you think about the items I've tried, you know, clothes and whatnot. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.